Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to print up to 16 distinct colors using just one AMS and only 4 filament rolls. Here's the problem I ran into. I was making custom keycaps for my 34 keys keyboard, and each keycap needed 4 separate layouts printed on it. Primary, upper, lower and adjust, plus a color for the keycap body itself. That's 5 colors, but my AMS only holds 4. For a while I was swapping a roll mid-print, which was painful and slow. Then I realized something. With 0.2mm nozzle and 0.1 layer height, the printed layer is so thin it's slightly translucent. So if you put a thin layer of one color on top of another, the color blends. You see through the top of one bit and you get a new shade. This means with just 4 rolls you can get every base color plus every 2 color blend on top. Here's a sample I printed to show what it looks like. From 4 simple colors, white, red, purple and blue, I got 16 distinct shades, browns, near black, purple, pinks, all clearly different from each other. It opens up a lot of creative options if you don't have the space or money for multiple color systems and a huge filament stash. One important caveat: this only works with very thin layers around 0.1 millimeters, which usually means you are printing something small with 0.2 millimeter nozzle. With a standard 0.4 nozzle, the layers are too opaque and you won't get the blending. Links to the keycaps repo and the OpenSCAD sample file are in the description. Happy printing, like and subscribe.